Hey guys, this is Marc here, and I have a really big announcement to make today, and also a channel update that I think you will really appreciate. So first things first, 4 years ago on this very day was when I finally registered QBrush as a company. And so for those who don't know, QBrush is my company. It's something I started, like I said, 4 years ago, and it's evolved into something that's completely beyond my expectation back then. And it's been an incredible ride. And so to celebrate, I am going to host for the next 24 hours only. So until May 15th, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, I'll be hosting a major sale on my store. So everything, absolutely everything, including art school, is going to be 40% off for the next 24 hours again. So if there's something that you've wanted, if there's something that you've had your eyes on, now would be the time. So again, this is only going to be for 24 hours. After that, it'll be over for the rest of the year. So now would be the time if there's something that you really wanted. So now that the time sensitive part is out of the way, let's move on to the channel updates. So there's one thing that's been of course, very obvious with the channel, is that I haven't had time to upload a lot of stuff. So all my time is taken with art school. It's something that's incredibly time consuming, that on top of running a business, of course. And so those two things combined has really obliterated all the free time that I had, as you can see from the very little amount of personal work that I can get done. So I've been looking for ideas on how to actually upload content that has value, that's something that you guys would be interested in. So there's one big thing that I'm going to start next week, and that is going to be hosting live streams with art school students. So of course, this is only going to be, at least the live portion of it is only going to be for art school students, but all those videos, what I'm thinking is that I'll be recording all of them and posting them on YouTube as well. So this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, just interacting with the students in a more direct way and being able to give feedback directly. Of course, there's so many students, I'm not going to be able to give feedback to everybody, but by giving feedback to different people of different levels, hopefully it should help. And just like the other students that will be, watching and interacting with me live during the sessions, you guys will also be able to benefit at least from a big portion of those videos by essentially watching the feedback process and looking at all the different critique points and everything basically that the other students will be going through. Now, the cool part with art school is that it's mostly all about fundamentals. So this is something that has a very broad potential audience. And so a lot of you guys should hopefully benefit from watching those types of videos. And if anything, it's going to be, it should be fun, and it should be something that's a little bit more interactive, a little bit more personal than the stuff that I've been putting out recently. So I'm pretty excited about those types of videos, and this is something that I'll be doing for the rest of the year, and something that hopefully I'll be able to do weekly, and sprinkle in the occasional speed paints left and right. With this, I think this should revive the channel quite a bit. And so that is going to be until the end of the year. I keep saying that because starting next year, there's an even bigger project coming up, and I'm not going to jump the gun just yet about exactly what this entails, but it will be extremely creative, and as a result, a lot of art video is going to come out of it. And so there you go. This is going to wrap it up for this video. Again, don't forget the big 24-hour sale that I'm having right now. This is only going to be for 24 hours. It's very, very short. If there's something that you want, or I've been talking about art school is also going to be 40% off. So if this is something that you want to get into, now would be the time, definitely. And so again, thank you so much for all the support so far, and I will see you guys next time.